Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CodeNext Solution. My name is Anshara. This is my first video tutorial for Microsoft Office course. In this course, we will discuss about Microsoft Word document, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Excel worksheet, Microsoft Publisher document, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook, and Microsoft Access Database. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Word document. So let's start. In this video, we will see about the MS Word basics. Basics like how to create a new Word file, open, save, close, and also some how to work on the Word interface. So let us see that one by one. For the first time, if you want to open MS Word, how do you go on it? So I will just show you how to open and create a new file. First thing is you will go to the start. Then I have to search for MS Word. Here is Word document and I will click on that. And once I open that Word, it gives me this kind of window. Here shows different templates available for MS Word. The templates like blank template. If you work on some other assignments, you can choose inbuilt templates. These are lot of inbuilt templates available with Microsoft Word. If you want to categorize, let's say, if you want to work on different industries like business card, flyers, letter, education, resumes, and cover letters and holidays. So if you click on education, templates related to education field will be displayed. So you can pick any one template and you can work on that. So let's get back to the point. For this, I will create a blank document. Here is blank document, so I will click on it, and this is a blank document that I created. The name of the file is document1. Here is show document Word product. If you want to create another document, so you can press the shortcut key Control N from the keyboard like that. Here is another document that show on the screen, document 2. Another method is to create a new file document is go to the file, click on the new like that. Here show document number 3. So let's get back to our document 3. If you want to open an existing document from your laptop or PC, so go to the file and open, go to the open like that, click on it. So these are the locations where your file might be there. It might be on the cloud, it might be on the PC, it might be some other location. Let me show you how to open some other existing file like that. To open existing file is you can use a shortcut key Control O from a keyboard. So if I press Control O from my keyboard, it goes back to the same location as you can see. So if you want to save a file, it's very simple. So first is go on a file, click on the save like that. So if you click on save button, it says where you want to save your file. So I will save the file in a desktop like this. I will name them document 1 and save. So our file will be saved. Another shortcut method to save the file is to press Ctrl S like that, and our file is saved. If you want to close a file, then one method is you can just click on that trace like this, then the file close automatically, just like that. Another method is to close a file is, let me get back to our place. As you will before do that, here is Word. We choose blank document. Another method to close a file is go on a file, click on close. Here our file is closed. Then our file is closed. Other shortcut method to close the file is to press simple Alt plus F4. If you click Alt plus F4 from the keyboard, then the file will close automatically. If you don't have a mouse, then you can navigate the file within a word interface. For this, click F6 like that. It will navigate a file in a word interface like that. If you want to go to Insert tab, just press N. Here is our Insert tab. So let's get to the point. Below on the right hand is the status bar. Here is show page numbers and the word we write like that. I write different words that I show in my screen. Let me bold it so you can see easily. I also increase the size like that. Here show our words, like I write 2 words, so here show 2 words. So on the right side there is zoom bar where you can zoom and see the size of font, which is very smaller. Let me show you how it works. Let's call that bar. It will zoom and zoom. We also zoom back. We also decrease its size like that. And the last 3 things which are given here, let's see one by one. If I keep my cursor on this place and see what is this place, it's a read mode. If I click on it, then you cannot edit. Like if I click some other words, I can't add. You can only read on it. Second option which is available here is print layout. Third option is available here is web page layout. When you want to display this page on a website, so how does it look like? Let me click on it. You can look, it's very large. Here you can see it's very large page. So let's get back to our document like that. In the next video, I will tell you the home tab of Microsoft Word document. I hope you will be able to understand how to create, open, save, and close a file, and how do we navigate a file in a Word interface. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.